In this video, we are going to learn how you can set up free shipping for bulk orders in WooCommerce using B2BKing. So let's get started. As you can see, we are using the B2BKing demo site. From here, we'll be able to use B2BKing and all its pro features. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our dashboard and create a free shipping first. So we're going to go to WooCommerce, click on settings, go to the shipping section, and from here, we're going to add shipping zone. So for the zone name, we're going to simply call it all. And now let's set up some regions. All right. Next, what we are going to do is add shipping method. So we're going to click on this button and we're going to add a flat rate. After that, we're going to edit this flat rate and make it, let's say, $10 or 10 euros. Now we're going to save changes. And then we're going to add another method, which is the free shipping. Now we're going to add it, then click on edit. And now we're going to set the minimum order amount and set it to a very high amount. This is just to make sure that the free shipping is enabled, but the users don't see it on the front end. So we're going to save changes. All right, everything is done. Now we are going to go to B2BKing and go to the dynamic rules section. And from here, we're going to create a new rule. Now from here, we are first going to add a title to our rule. We're going to call it free shipping for bulk orders. From this dropdown in the rule type, we are going to select the free shipping option. And from applies to, we are going to make sure that the cart total, all products, is selected. And we're going to choose it for all registered users. You can choose your desired user groups for whom this rule will apply to. You can choose from here. Now for the conditions, we are going to choose the cart total value. And if it's greater than, let's say, 1,499, this rule will be applied. So we're going to publish it. And then we're going to go back to the dynamic rules section and make sure that this is enabled. Now, if we go to our site, here are a lot of products. So let's select this classic chair, for example. Now, its value is 379 euro. Now, if we add it to the basket, we can see the basket over here. Now, if we view the basket, we can see the total value is 389 euros. So a flat rate of 10 euro was added. So the shipping rule is applying. Now, what if I increase the value? So let's say I want to buy 5 of these products. So we're going to update the basket. Now its total value is 1,795 euro. Now we can see the free shipping option appears over here. And as the value goes to 1,805, if we choose free shipping, 10 euro will be subtracted from the total. So that is how you can apply free shipping for bulk orders in your WooCommerce website using B2BKing. Now that was a very short tutorial. If you guys want more detailed tutorials on how you can create a B2B website using B2BKing and check out other features, other tutorials on B2BKing, we have all those available in our channel. Make sure to check the video description and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Now, before we end up this video, we also want to talk about the pricing of B2BKing. So if we take a look at the pricing, you can see there are annual and lifetime plans. The annual plan starts with normally $249.50 with the startup plan. This gives you over 139 features and functionalities, plus monthly updates and premium support. You get license for one website with this. The Pro plan is said to be the best value. It's normally $349.50 per year, and this gives you 3 website license. And you also get company credit add-on, Dokan add-on, WCFM add-on. Finally, the developer plan, which is normally $499.50. This gives you unlimited site licenses, plus you get backend white labeling with this one. Now, we are currently seeing a discount over here. The startup plan with the 25% discount, you can get it for $179 per year. The Pro plan with a 30% discount, you can get it for $249 per year. And the developer plan with 20% discount, you can get it for $399 per year. You can also get the lifetime plans, for which you just need to make one-time payment and the plugin will be yours forever. The lifetime plans, if we take a look at it, the startup plan is available at a discount price of $699. The Pro plan is available for a discount price of $979, and the developer plan is available at a discount price of $1,479. So that was our short tutorial. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.